What's up, guys? It's a boy Dam right here, me and Shanice. We are on a new adventure and country waterfall because we're in Wales. There's a sign there, guys. So we're at the Angel pub as well, just before you go into the gateway to go in. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm going as we take you along the journey with us, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You don't know the thing though. We're out here. Look how beautiful this countryside is. We're in Wales, guys. So stay tuned and watch where I go on as we take you along with us. Look at those waterfall along the water down there. That's like a water hole. The water brown. Why the water brown? Look at that. Alright. How beautiful that is. Some deep water, that you know, that water is deep in the sense. No, middle is so deep. So yeah, guys, we're out here. I try to bring you the best adventure, natural adventure. Look at that water all along there. That look nice, but the water probably freezing. But the thing is it, you don't want to go to them water there. And you know the one we're going to go to catch that waterfall, the water never really freezing. Never cold. I'm thought it would have cold, but it's not cold. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned and watch where I go, and then I will take it along with us. Then river here, then deep down under the precipice door. Look at that, how deep is along so. Fucking hell. It's beautiful water, but the water brown. I don't understand why the water so brown. Down this way. Look at this, guys. We're on a river tour today. We come from all the way from England to come to Wales just to get this beautiful scenery right here. You're looking at. Look at that, guys. How beautiful that is. Look at that. Oh, the rock. Spirit, guys. It's amazing. Around the landscape. Look at this. How beautiful it is. Loads of people coming back from walking, so you don't know the place active. Yeah. So just stay tuned and watch where I go and to take you along the journey with us. Look at that, guys. Can you hear the birds chirping, guys? How beautiful this is. We're in the nature. We're in the wild. What more can you ask for? Nothing more, nothing less. That is it. We're out here, guys. Look at this. You know what I mean, Chinese? The water kind of a bit brown though. I don't know why it is. Why is that so brown? Look at this, guys. You can come on wheels and don't get a proper view of the river, guys. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful landscape. Look at that house up on the hill there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it. This is beautiful, guys. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Pretty deep there. I don't know why the water's so brown, but the water brown, guys. Look at that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dam TV at Dam TV 100, guys. Good thing. We're out here. If you like to see adventure like this, guys, we're out here to give you what you need. Look at this. How beautiful this is. Look at that, guys. We're out here, the Boy Dam. We're out here trying to bring you the best natural wildlife content. Well, natural walking town, you know, what of birds and animals. So when animal night then be wildlife. So natural walking, guys. Greenery, scenery, look at it. Out here. So go stay tuned and watch what go on. We're trying to reach the waterfall, because some decent waterfall is supposed to be in this river. So we're trying to reach there, guys. So just stay tuned and watch what go on as we take you along with us. That is it, we're out here. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Hello, doggy. Look at that cave under there. How beautiful that is. Look at that landscape. How beautiful the city rate, guys. One minute, check this. That's what you have to do. You have to give people what they want, guys. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, beautiful, guys. This is amazing. This remind me when I'm a small boy and go to my grandfather bush or farm, whatever you want to call it. That's what it's like, the landscape, guys. So just stay tuned and watch what go on as we take you along. You know, we're gonna walk up here. No, walk up here, so go back up that way. Go back up that way. We're gonna walk up here. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and watch what go on as we take you along with us on the journey, guys. So yeah, we're out here. I'm trying to get the best content we have. We drive for come for this, you know, guys. So we have to give you the best, you know. Look at this beautiful landscape. See how fit and strong as them, as some of grandfather land and situate, you know. Or have a car load pan we hedge from day in, day out. You get me? Every day. Look at time when we not go to school. You get me? As a matter of fact, before we go to school, we have to go farm. That's and after school, we have to go farm said way. You get me? Look at that water out there coming from that little bit of fall. Yeah. Right there. I got to go catch that. Stay tuned and watch what I go on as we take you along with us, guys. There. Up. Come on. Look at that, guys. 1 minute, Shanice, soon come. Look at that, guys. How beautiful this is. Even though it's kind of a bit deep down there, but look at that breathtaking waterfall, guys. Look at the landscape. Picture it. How beautiful that is, guys. Anyway, stay tuned and watch what I go on as we take you along the journey, because you can see more interesting stuff to see, guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, we get there, alright, man. We go to our next waterfall now. Yeah. Alright. Bye. So yeah, guys, we're out here like no other. Try to bring you the best content, guys. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. We take you on a journey with us. We take you on a hike, guys, in the cool Welch Hills, guys. Stay tuned and watch what I go on as we take you along the journey with us. Look at that, guys. This river pretty big. Imagine when rain fall and this river swell. Fucking hell. It's amazing. Look at that. We're out here doing it like no other, guys. We shouldn't care from card with us to promote the thing, you know. And we have a few cards, we'll get some more print. Look at that. How much do you have left, Shanice? You can give me some of here and then. Look at that. We're out here, guys. Just stay tuned and watch what I go on. There's a place where you can sit and rest as well, here. As long as it's dry. This river is massive. I wish I can go down in my bed right now so and just go video it. Let me see if there's a spot coming up and we can go down in it. Well, listen, Shanice. Oh, listen.
How are you going to get back up?
I climb back up. This, guys, look at this beautiful riverbed. I'm bringing you live, guys. Look at that. Can you hear that bird chirping? Look at that. How beautiful that is, guys. Look at this. Some more can you ask for? And I give the whole full caption of the river, guys. That's what I do. You get me? Give the full caption of the river. How we situate. Look at that. How beautiful that is, guys. What more can you ask for? Look at this cool water hole. But I don't understand why the water brown. This water is very brown, guys. I don't understand why. Look at that. That place you can take a little dip. Not too deep, but you don't know anything though. There's a look of water everywhere around here in Wales. Coming from all directions. Look at that water there. This is it. Look at that. This one is a little bit deep. You see that, guys? Look how beautiful that is. The whole here. I bring you the best of the best content, guys. Stay tuned and watch where I go, and I'm excited. I'm in the elements, guys, to bring forth the natural walking like no other. You get me? The boy damn taking it to you. What is this right here? I don't know. Like a field up over here. Let me see. It's like a hut. Somebody lives there. You can't trespass, you know. But just show you what I'm going. It's a hut. Like, and this probably for the farmer. We're farming those land, guys. Because those are farmers in Wales as well, you know. Yeah. Look how beautiful this is. And the people, them so amazing and friendly and breathtaking. Isn't it, Shanice? The people, them so friendly, don't? Yeah, they always hope to help you when you want to be helped, guys. What more can you ask for? That's what I like to see. People help each other. Cause that's what we're here for. Cause you have some people that just turn on each other. They don't know you and they don't like you before they see you.